You've always filled up your car the wrong way. Most of the time, when their car runs out of fuel, people have the habit of pouring the container directly into the tank. This is completely wrong. This can cause fuel to spill into the car, which ends up burning and staining the paintwork. That's why it's so common to see cars with stains in this area. Some people cut the bottle and try to pour the fuel in, but this won't work either and the liquid will spill out. The same goes for using a funnel. Because it's too small, it will also spill, staining the paintwork. And finally, the worst method, people try to siphon the liquid with a hose, but this is very dangerous. You could ingest the fuel and end up feeling sick. So now I'm going to show you the ultimate solution to this, and all you'll need is a bottle like this and a hose. That's it. The first thing we'll do is mark the hose on this part of the bottle with a pen. Mark the exact point and then cut it off. Look, it will look like this. Also note that the hose fits perfectly, so it's important to make the cut correctly. Keep passing the hose through until it comes out at the mouth of the bottle, just like this. Now, let's take the fuel container. Place the bottle with the hose like this. It's important that the hose reaches the bottom of the container to avoid wastage. And the other end, just put it in the car's tank. Once this is done, simply press down firmly on the bottle and then release it. By doing this, you create air pressure inside the bottle and it will automatically start to draw all the fuel through the hose. Notice how quickly the process works. Gradually, the level of the containers decreases, transferring all the fuel to your car. You no longer need to siphon the fuel with your mouth or use ineffective tools that can stain your car's paintwork. Just follow these simple steps and you'll solve your problem. See how the container is already empty. Very easy and quick, so the next time it happens to you, you'll know exactly what to do. That was today's tip. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.